The Pagani Huayra BC, a masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship. The Pagani Huayra BC is a track-focused, ultra-exclusive version of the already extraordinary Pagani Huayra. Named in honor of Benny Caiola, a close friend and early supporter of Horacio Pagani, the Huayra BC represents the pinnacle of Pagani's engineering and craftsmanship. Introduced in 2016, the Huayra BC is lighter, more powerful, and more aerodynamically advanced than the standard Huayra, making it one of the most desirable hypercars in the world. The Huayra BC retains the Huayra's iconic design language, but adds aggressive aerodynamic enhancements for improved performance. Its bodywork features a combination of carbon fiber and carbon titanium composite, which is both lightweight and incredibly strong. The car includes a large rear wing, a redesigned front splitter, and a more pronounced diffuser, all of which work together to generate significant downforce and improve stability at high speeds. The Huayra BC's design is both functional and artistic, with intricate details and craftsmanship that are hallmarks of Pagani's approach to car building. Powertrain. The Huayra BC is powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine developed by Mercedes-AMG, producing 789 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed X-Track sequential transmission, which offers lightning-fast gear changes. Acceleration. The Huayra BC can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per h, in just 2.8 seconds, and reach a top speed of 238 miles per hour, 383 kilometers per h. Weight. The car's weight is reduced to 2,685 pounds, 1,218 kilograms, thanks to the extensive use of lightweight materials and a focus on weight reduction throughout the design process. The Huayra BC's chassis is made from Carbotriax HP62, a lightweight and incredibly strong carbon fiber composite. The car's construction is a testament to Pagani's commitment to using the best materials and techniques available. The suspension system is fully adjustable, allowing drivers to fine-tune the car's handling for different driving conditions and preferences. The Huayra BC's interior is a blend of luxury and motorsport-inspired design. It features high-quality materials, such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, with meticulous attention to detail and craftsmanship. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster and a titanium gear shifter that adds to the car's racing pedigree. The interior also includes unique touches, such as exposed carbon fiber weave and custom stitching, showcasing Pagani's artisanal approach. The car's seats are designed for both comfort and support, with options for customization to suit the owner's preferences. The Huayra BC is designed to offer an exhilarating driving experience, with precise handling, razor-sharp responsiveness, and immense grip. The car's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction contribute to its exceptional performance on both the road and the track. The car's active aerodynamic system adjusts in real time to optimize downforce and stability, ensuring maximum performance in all driving conditions. The Huayra BC is an extremely exclusive car with only 20 units produced. Each unit is priced at approximately $2.5 million, making it one of the most expensive and sought-after hypercars in the world. The car's exclusivity, combined with its advanced technology and craftsmanship, makes it a true collector's item. The Huayra BC is often compared to the standard Huayra, but it offers significant improvements in terms of performance, weight reduction, and aerodynamics. It is also more track-focused, with enhancements that make it more capable on the circuit. It is also compared to the Pagani Zonda R, a track-only hypercar, but the Huayra BC is road-legal and offers a more balanced combination of performance and luxury. The Huayra BC is a testament to Pagani's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. It represents the pinnacle of the Huayra lineup and showcases the brand's ability to create cars that are both technologically advanced and artistically crafted. The car's success has influenced the development of future Pagani models, including the Huayra Roadster BC and the Huayra Imola, which build on the Huayra BC's legacy with even more extreme performance and exclusivity.